In this video, you will learn about how to use there and there. This topic is a part of determiners. As learned earlier, there is used to talk about a place which is far from the speaker. For example, we walked from here till there. Or, there is Jay waiting for the bus. There is used when someone owns or possesses something. For example, their ice cream fell on the ground. Or, their dresses are so pretty. Use there as the opposite of here. For example, could I sit there? Or, did you see the children run there? There is and there are used to talk about the existence of something. For example, there is a bird. Or, there are children playing in the garden. There is used to talk about possession. For example, their bird flew away. This sentence says that the bird belongs to the little boy and girl and it flew away. Saying their bird flew away is incorrect. Let us look at another example. I went to their office last evening. This sentence is incorrect since there indicates a place, in this case, the office. You can either say, I went there last evening or I went to their office last evening. Now you know how to use there and there.